You want to wait or you want me to call it?
Yes, he is.
Is he?
I think the name is misspelled, Judge. Javen Grazies.
He's
Mr.
here.
Grazies.
Yes, hello.
He's here. Oh, he's
Yeah, his name is Javen.
You have it.
David.
All right.
Remove your hat. Remove your hat.
Mr. Strong, you ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, this is case 240572-0801, P versus Jason Grazes.
Cal Major on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Randy Strong appearing on behalf of Mr. Grazes.
Good morning, Mr. Grazes. I need your name, sir.
Good morning, Javen Richard Graves.
All right, good morning.
One more time. Stand still and say your name.
Javen Richard Graves.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Major, any offers?
No, Your Honor. There's no reduced plea on this case.
Mr. Strong, how you want to proceed?
Your Honor, we're going to request a preliminary examination date.
All right, Mr. Tusk, can we have examination track for Mr. Graves, please?
Yeah.
Keep breaking up, Tooks.
It's going to be Judge Jefferson, sir.
All right, Mr. Strong, this matter is going before Honorable Judge Patricia Jefferson for a Zoom PCC on the examination track for May 29th. May 29th at 8:30 a.m. Again, via Zoom before Honorable Judge Patricia Jefferson. Scheduled for a PCC, May 29th, 8:30 a.m.
All right, nothing further by the defense. Good seeing you.
And-
All right, you too.
Thank you, Mr. Strong.
All right, Mr. Graves, you have that information, sir?
Judge, Mr. Gray.
Yes, Judge. No,
Judge.
no, sir.
Yes.
Not at this time.
Yes. Yes, Andrea.
Judge, Mr. Gray, how you spell your last name, Mr. Javen?
Javen, like
Your last
Grazes.
name, how you spelling it?
Grazes.
Thank you.
All right,
You're welcome.
Mr. Graves, you didn't get that information, so I just gave you?
You sent me something, Your Honor.
No, so I'm
Judge-
telling you.
Judge,
You're
I'll get-
another lawyer. You're going to another court, sir. You have an
Yes,
examination,
sir.
PCC on examination track in front of Judge Patricia Jefferson, May 29th, 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. Got it?
Yes, sir.
All right, you're free to go. Anything else, Mr. Strong?
Nothing else, Your Honor.
All right, good seeing you.
All right, thank you, Judge.
All right, Mr. Davenport.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Yeah, Marquise Ogletree.
I do.
Marquise Ogletree, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
On your case, 240571-7401, P versus Marquise Ogletree.
Good morning, Your Honor. Cal Major for the people.
Good morning, Judge, to you and your staff. May I please this honorable court? Justina Shabazz Davenport, P number 82743, appearing on behalf of Mr. Marquise Ogletree, who is also present by way of Zoom.
Good morning, Mr. Ogletree. I need your name, sir.
Marquise Ogletree.
All right, good morning.
Good morning.
All right, Mr. Nature, any offers?
Yes, Your Honor. My offer is a misdemeanor, obtaining a pistol without a license with all regular conditions.
All right, Ms. Shabazz.
Yes, thank you, Judge. I'm in receipt of that offer. I actually also am in receipt of the paper and digital discovery. I do ask for approximately 2 weeks to speak with my client with the discovery and return to the court with a decision.
All right, how's July 30th at 8:30 a.m.? July 30th, 8:30 a.m.
July 30th?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Judge. And may I also ask, if we have a decision before then, may I also petition the court to come in sooner?
No, because this docket gets heavy, and these are the available dates that I have, so I won't have days like this in the future. So
I understand.
I have only earlier date I have is the 23rd, July 23rd.
I'll take it.
You want the 23rd?
Yes, thank you, Judge.
Problem is we got vacations and we also have the 4th of July, so everything kind of is getting pushed back. We got Memorial Weekend coming up, so we got holidays in between all these days.
I understand, Judge. I'm on leave, so this is my only case. Period.
Right,
So
that's
I'll
fine.
be here.
That's fine. Okay, July 23rd, 8:30 a.m. Mr. Ogletree, you got that information, sir?
Yes, yes, Judge.
All right, you're free to go.
Thank you. And Cal,
All right.
I'll reach out to you
All right, Mr. Davenport. All right, Ms.
You need
Bates.
is there something? Okay, that's fine.
with the decision.
Oh, yeah, thank you. I wasn't following. Okay,
Okay, take care.
thanks.
All right, Ms. Bates. Ms. Bates. Did she step away?
I believe she may have stepped away.
All right, Mr. McNeil. Is he back?
Good morning, Your Honor.
How did you want to proceed today,
Tucker.
Mr. Tucker?
We do want to take the height of plea that Mr. Nader offered. So we're
Right. All right, let me come back to you. Mr. Edison,
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
ready on Kilgore.
Yes.
All right, Vassar Kilgore, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
On your case, 240563-1901, Fee versus Vassar Kilgore.
Cal Major on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Jeffrey Edison on behalf of Mr. Kilgore, who is present be assumed with consent, Your Honor. Good morning.
All right, good morning. All right, Mr. Kilgore, I need your name, sir. All
Vassar Kilgore.
right, good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Nature, any offers?
Yes, Your Honor. I spoke with Mr. Edison on this case. The offer is a misdemeanor, obtaining a pistol without a license with 40 hours community service and all other standard conditions.
Mr. Edison?
Yes, Your Honor. I've had an opportunity to discuss this matter with Mr. Kilgore, but together with the facts and circumstances and Mr. Nader's offer, and at this time he wishes to accept it.
All right, Mr. Kilgore, you understand what the prosecutor's offer is, sir?
Yes, sir.
Waiving the right to have a preliminary examination today?
Yes.
Anybody threaten you, force you, or promise you anything to get you waive your examination right today?
No.
What's going to accept the waiver? Mr. Kilgore automatically be bound over. Mr. Edison, as it relates to the arraignment, he stands to be a waste formal reading.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Of course, we're in that guilty plea today. Mr. Kilgore, I need you to raise your right hand, sir. Solemnly swear affirm the testimony you're about to give today will be true.
Yes.
All right, you put your hand down, sir. You understand if I accept the guilty plea from you today, sir, for the misdemeanor of obtaining a pistol without a license, the maximum penalty I can impose can be up to 90 days in jail and up to a $500 fine.
Yes, sir.
You understand if I accept the plea from you today, sir, you give up or you waive certain constitutional rights.
Yes.
You understand you waive your right to have a trial by judge or jury.
Yes.
Waive your right to remain silent without the silence being used against you.
Yes.
Waive your right to be proved. Waive your right to be proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
Yes.
Anybody threaten you or force you to get you plead guilty?
No.
Anybody promise you anything beyond this misdemeanor to get you plead guilty?
No.
All right, daytime, location, and factual basis, Mr. Nature.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Kilgore, on March 20th, 2024, in the area of Livernois Street in the city of Detroit, at some point, did you have contact with the police?
Yes.
At that time, were you carrying a handgun, a pistol on your person?
Yes.
Was it concealed in some fashion in a pocket or under a shirt?
It was because of the holster that I had. It was visible, but it was in a holster that was on the inside of my pants instead of out.
I got you. Inside of your pants.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And did you possess a CPL license that would allow you to carry a gun?
No, sir.
Thank you very much. Your Honor, I'm satisfied.
All right, court's going to, you satisfied, Mr. Edison?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, court's going to accept the plea. We can go forward to immediate sentencing, Mr. Edison. Anything you want to say on your client's behalf before imposed sentence?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Kilgore is a young man. This is his first contact with the system. He's a graduate in 2011 from Detroit School of Arts. He has attended not only WC3, but also Wayne State 2 semesters. He is self-employed as he rehabs homes. He presently is working on 2 sites, one on Monte Vista, city of Detroit, and also on Mecca in the city of Detroit. We don't intend, through my discussions with him, don't expect to see Mr. Kilgore before the court in the future.
Not at all.
All right, let me just back up for a second, Mr. Kilgore. I messed up one of the rights. You waive your right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, correct?
Correct.
All right. Anything else you want to say, Mr. Kilgore?
No, just I was in an unfortunate situation. I accepted whatever comes for it. But I'm sorry that I am in the position that I am in.
All right, Mr. Nature, anything on behalf of the people?
No, I have nothing else to add, Judge.
All right, Mr. Kilgore, I'm going to comply with the agreement you have with the prosecutor's office, place you on probation to the 36th District Court for a period of 12 months, sir. You know where 36th District Court is located?
Yes.
All right, so you'll be reporting to the probation department 3 times, sir. The first time will be in person. We'll get back to that in a second. Second time you have to report will be the second month that you're on probation. That'll be by Zoom or by telephone. And the last time you have to report will be the 3rd time, sir. That'll be the last month that you're on probation by Zoom or by telephone. And the method will be determined by your probation officer, sir. Now, during the time that you're on probation, although you have to only report 3 times, there will be a monthly supervision fee that you have to pay every month. That'll be $35 to the probation department at 36th District Court. During the time that you're on probation, sir, you have to comply with the following terms and conditions. You cannot possess, own, or use any guns, no weapons, and no firearms. You cannot possess or consume any illegal drugs or non-prescribed medication. You cannot pick up any new felonies. You cannot pick up any new misdemeanors. If you have any outstanding traffic tickets, sir, either pending or on warrant status, or even if you pick up anything new, sir, those have to be resolved prior to you being discharged off of probation in this case. Also, you cannot engage in assaultive conduct or aggressive behavior. Are you working now, sir?
Yes.
All right, where you working?
I have 2 homes I'm working on at the current moment. One on Mecca and Schaefer, and the other on Monte Vista and Chippewa.
All right, you have to maintain legitimate employment while you're on probation. Also, there will be 40 hours of community service, sir. Also, we'll give you some information.
Repeat yourself. Is it my internet or is the internet real blotchy? Or is it just my internet?
This is yours.
It's just you guys are super fast and coming and going. So, Judge, repeat your last sentence or 2. Mr.
Kilgore, you're gonna have to do 40 hours of community service, sir. You understand that?
Yes.
Also, when you're arrested, the police also confiscate your handgun.
Yes.
Pursuant to the agreement you have with the prosecutor's office, your handgun will be forfeited to law enforcement. How old are you, sir?
I'm 31.
All right, Mr. Edison, is this retained or appointed?
I'll retain, Your Honor.
All right, as far as fines, fees, and costs are concerned, sir, it will be a $75 fine. I have a mandatory $75 crime victims' rights fee I have to impose by law, sir. I cannot eliminate that or reduce it. There's also a $65 mandatory state fee I must impose by law, sir. I cannot reduce that or eliminate that. $50 36th District Court administrative fees. That's going to be a total of $265, sir. Can you pay that by July 12th?
Yes.
All right, sir. I need your telephone number for the probation department.
313-772-5113.
Thank you. I have it.
All right, thank you, Mr. Took. Now, Mr. Kilgore, I told you I have to get back to you and give you some information about when you need to report. I have that information and some other additional information, some instructions I need to give you. Something to write with, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, so you're going to have to report in person to the 36th District Court Probation Department. The first date, the earliest you can come, sir, will be May 29th. The latest day you can come will be June 6th. It'll be Monday through Friday between 8:30 in the morning and 3:30 in the afternoon. And the reason why I don't want you to come any sooner than that, sir, it takes a little while for them to get your paperwork processed. In addition to that, we got Memorial Weekend coming up, so we lose a date. So again, when you get to the 29th of May, you can give the probation department a call. I'm going to give you the phone number now. You ready?
Yep.
313-965-3414. Repeating, 313-965-3414, sir. So on the 29th or sooner after, you can give them a call and make sure they have your paperwork before you come down. You got it?
Yes.
All right, one last thing I need to tell you, sir, is the different ways and places where you can pay, sir. Are you interested in coming down here to pay somewhere in person, or you want to go online?
I'll probably want to do online.
All right, sir. So let me tell you all the different ways just to make sure maybe some way that's more convenient for you. You can come down here and pay in person at 36th District Court in person, or during the regular business hours, or you can come out here doing non-business hours. So there's a machine located outside the building that's accessible to the public 24 hours a day. You can go online at 36districtcourt.org and pay that way. You can download the DIVDAT, D-I-V-D-A-T payment app, pay that way. We have a number of Rite Aid and CVS, the ones that are still around in the city where you can pay utility bills. You can pay there. We also have a number of community centers throughout the city of Detroit where you can pay. I can tell you for sure, I've actually seen one at the Northwest Activity Center on the west side. On the east side, I've actually seen one at the Samaritan Center at 5555 Connor and Shoemaker on the east side of Detroit. Or you can go to a central location where I've seen three actually at the Coleman Young Municipal Center, located at East Jefferson and Woodward, and that's downtown Detroit. And that's Monday through Friday during regular business hours. You understand all those different ways and places where you can pay, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Edison, anything else?
No, Your Honor. No, thank you.
All right, Mr. Kilgore, you're free to go, sir. Good luck to Your Highness. Good seeing you. Have a great day.
All right, thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, you're welcome. All right, Mr. Jadala. You have Jeremiah Arrington. I'm sorry. Now you have Williams, Artez Williams, right?
That's correct.
All right, Mr. Williams, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
On your case, 240-571-6501. Who was Artez Williams?
Good morning, Your Honor. Cal Nager on behalf of the people.
Respectfully, Your Honor, Samuel Jadala, P62186, appearing on behalf of Mr. Artez Williams, who appears to be Zoom with no objections, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Artez Williams, I need your name, sir.
Artez Byron J. Williams.
All right, so you have a video feed, sir? I need.
Yes, I am.
All right, there we go. All right, good morning. All right, Mr. Nager in the office.
Yes, Your Honor. HIDA, probation, 12 months, 40 hours community service, all under HIDA.
Mr. Jadala, how you want to proceed today?
Your Honor, I have to speak with my client. He'd like to avail himself to that plea.
Mr. Williams, you understand what the prosecutor's offer is, sir?
Yes.
You understand what this HIDA status is all about?
Yes.
Waiving your right to have a preliminary examination today. Can't hear you, sir.
Yes.
Anybody threaten you or force you to get you plea guilty?
Can you repeat that?
Anybody threaten you or force you to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anybody promise you anything beyond this HIDA status to get you plead guilty?
No.
All right, so I'm gonna have to see your face on the video. All right. All right, I need you to raise, as it relates to the arraignment, Mr. Jadala, he's standing in your formal reading.
That's correct, Your Honor.
First one, in a not guilty plea today. Mr. Williams, I need you to raise your right hand, sir. You solemnly swear affirm the testimony you're about to give today will be the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. You understand if I accept a guilty plea from you today, sir? For carrying a concealed weapon, the maximum penalty I can impose can be up to 5 years in prison.
Okay.
You understand if I accept a guilty plea from you today, sir, the maximum penalty I can impose can be up to 5 years in prison.
Yes.
You understand if I accept a plea from you today, sir, you give up or you waive certain constitutional rights.
Yes.
You understand you waive your right to have a trial by judge or jury.
Yes.
Your right to remain silent without the silence being used against you.
Yes.
Your right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
Yes.
Anybody threaten you or force you to get you plead guilty?
No.
Anybody promise you anything beyond this HIDA status to get you plead guilty?
No.
Mr. Nate, the daytime location of factual basis.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Williams, on the date of May 8th, 2024, were you driving in the area of Decatur and West Chicago streets in the city of Detroit
Yes.
and got pulled over by the police?
No, I wasn't pulled over. I was already parked, and they pulled on side of me and asked did I have insurance. I said yes. He tried to say I did.
Okay. So you were driving at some point, but you were parked, and then you had contact with the police?
Yes.
At the time, did you have a handgun, a pistol with you in the car?
Yes, it was in the car.
Did you possess a special license called a CPL that would allow you to have a gun in the car?
No.
Sorry?
No.
Repeat yourself one more
time. I didn't hear his answer, Cal.
One more time, Mr. Williams, nice and loud. Did you have a CPL?
No.
Again?
No.
All right. Satisfied, Your Honor.
I'm satisfied, Judge.
First, going to accept the guilty plea, Mr. Jadala House, July 25th at 10 o'clock a.m. for sentencing.
July 25th at 10 a.m. should be fine, Judge.
All right, Mr. Williams, you'll be back in my courtroom, same Zoom number, sir, for sentencing on July 25th at 10 o'clock a.m., sir. You have that date and time.
Okay.
All right, so I need your telephone number for the probation department, sir.
313-333-9907.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, Ms. Brooks. Now, Mr. Williams, I have some additional information for you, sir. You have something to write with.
I can type it in my notes. One second.
All right.
I'm ready.
All right, I need you to contact the Department of Corrections Probation Department tomorrow, sir. The phone number is 313-224.
224.
2600.
2600.
Now, you must contact them tomorrow between 9:30 in the morning and 3:30 in the afternoon.
You said 9:30 in the morning?
3:30 in the afternoon, sir.
Okay.
Now, here's the trick. You cannot leave a message. I repeat, you cannot leave a message. You have to call until you get through to somebody. Now, they may answer on the first time. I don't know, busy hours or busy times out are, but you have to call until somebody answers the phone. If you leave a message, they won't call you back, and you won't be able to register. So that's what you need to do. Once they pick up their phone, they're going to ask you some questions. Name, address, telephone number, get some basic information. They're going to turn your information over to a probation officer who's going to call you in a couple of weeks to interview you, sir. Purpose of that interview is for them to supply me after the interview with a report called a pre-sentence investigation report. That report is required by law, sir. I cannot go forward unless I have it. That means if you don't register, you don't complete that interview, I won't get the report and we can't go forward. You understand that?
Sir.
Now, something happens. You talk to Mr. Jadal, you let him know immediately that you can't either register, you cannot complete the interview. You'll contact the Department of Corrections and get us back on track so we can go forward to sentencing again, which will be July 25th at 10 o'clock a.m. You got it?
Okay.
All right, one last thing, sir. You had a beater on today. I need you to put on a regular shirt, collar shirt, or t-shirt, so you understand that.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Jadal, anything else?
Nothing further, Judge. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Williams.
Mr. Jadal.
62186.
Thank you.
Thanks, Sammer.
Mr. Williams.
Absolutely. Have a good day, Cal. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Mr. Williams, you're free to go, sir. We'll see you back here on July 25th, 10 o'clock. Make sure you make that call tomorrow, sir.
Okay.
All right, you all set. Mr. Magnuson, are you ready with Paul Militello?
He's not ready.
He's on the phone. All right, Mr. McNeil.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ready? I'm Tucker.
All right, this is case 23. Mr. Tucker, can you hear me?
Yes.
On your case 23-057-46401, People versus Ryan Tucker.
Good morning, Your Honor. Cal Nager for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Brandon McNeil, P number 81300, appearing on behalf of defendant Ryan Tucker, who is present via Zoom with no objection. Mr. Tucker, state your name for the record.
Ryan Tucker.
All right, good morning. Mr. Nager, in the office.
Yes, Your Honor. Consent, HIDA, 12 months probation, 40 hours community service, and all other standard conditions.
Mr. McNeil.
Good morning, Your Honor. After discussion with my client would like to avail himself of that offer today.
All right, Mr. Tucker, you understand what the prosecutor's offer is, sir?
Yes.
Waiving your right to have a preliminary examination?
Yes.
Anybody threaten you or force you to get you plead guilty?
No.
Anybody promise you anything beyond this HIDA status to get you plead guilty?
No.
As it relates to the arraignment stands, me wait formal reading. I'm sorry, Mr. Tucker.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Of course, you're not guilty plea today, Mr. Tucker, please. I'm sorry, Mr. McNeil. Mr. Tucker, please raise your right hand. You solemnly swear affirm the testimony you're about to give today be the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You understand if I accept the guilty plea from you today, sir, for carrying a concealed weapon, the maximum penalty I can impose is up to 5 years in prison.
Yes.
Understand if I accept the plea from you today, sir, you give up or you waive certain constitutional rights.
Yes.
Understand you waive your right to have a trial by judge or jury.
Yes.
Your right to remain silent without that silence being used against you.
Yes.
Right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
Yes.
Anybody threaten you or force you to get you plead guilty?
No.
Anybody promise you anything beyond this HIDA status to get you plead guilty?
No.
Date, time, location, and factual basis, Mr. Nager.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Tucker, bringing your attention to December 1st, 2021 in the area of Connor and Kercheval streets in the city of Detroit. Were you driving your car with a passenger and got pulled over by the police?
Yes.
At the time, did you have a handgun, a pistol with you in the vehicle?
Yes.
Did you possess a license, CPL, a special license called a CPL that would allow you to carry a gun?
No.
Thank you very much. Judge, I'm satisfied.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
We're going to accept the guilty plea. Mr. McNeil, looking at a sentencing date of July 24th. July 24th at 10 o'clock a.m. Is that a good day and time for you?
That is, Your Honor.
Mr. Tucker, you'll be back before me, sir. Same courtroom, same Zoom number, sir. July 24th at 10 o'clock a.m. So you have that date and time.
Yes.
I need your telephone number for the probation department.
Yes.
Telephone.
I need your telephone number for the probation.
313-917-6838.
Thank you.
All right, sir. I need you to write some information down. You have something to write with?
Yes.
I need you to call the Department of Corrections Probation Department tomorrow.
Okay.
And that phone number is 313
Mhm.
224 2600. 313 224 2600. You got it?
224-2600.
All right, call between 9:30 in the morning and 3:30 in the afternoon.
Okay.
All right, the trick is that you have to call until you get through to somebody. Somebody answer the phone, not just leave a message, because if you leave a message, they won't call you back. You won't be able to register, sir. So you have to call until somebody answers the phone. Once they answer, they're going to get some information from you, name, address, telephone number, and they're going to turn it over to a probation officer who's going to call you in a couple of weeks to interview you.
Okay.
Interview, sir, and finish that interview, because I will receive a report. That report is required by Michigan law. It's called a pre-sentence investigation report, sir. I won't get it if you don't register, and I won't get it if you don't complete that interview. Now, something goes wrong, and you cannot finish either the report or the interview, sir. I'm sorry, you cannot register or complete the interview. Call Mr. McNeil. He'll contact the Department of Corrections Probation Department, get us back on track, so we can go forward with your sentencing on July 24th at 10 o'clock, sir. You got it?
Yes.
All right, Mr. McNeil, anything else as it relates to Mr. Tucker?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Tucker, we'll see you back here again, sir, on July 24th, 10 o'clock a.m., sir. You're free to go. Make sure you make the call tomorrow.
All right. Thank you.
Mr. McNeil, anything else?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank
All
you.
right, have a good day. Good seeing you.
Good seeing you.
Judge, this is Magnuson. We're only seeking an adjourned PCC on Militello.
I called you, Mr. Magnuson. You on the phone.
I apologize.
All right, Mr. Tucker, you're free to go.
All right.
All right, Paul Militello, Mr. Magson's case 24-057-11701, P versus Paul Militello.
Cal Nager for the people, Judge.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mark Magnuson, P number 25581, on behalf of Paul Militello. Mr. Militello, could you state your name for the record?
Paul Militello.
All right, Mr. Major in the office.
No reduced plea on this case, Judge. I do have a sentence agreement if there were to be a plea on the CCW charge. I've discussed that with Mr. Magnuson.
Mr. Magnuson, how you proceed today?
So, Judge, I explained that to him, and I want to make a counteroffer to Mr. Nager, and maybe discuss this a little bit further. I'm not asking for him to reduce the plea, just to change the plea, and I can discuss that with him later. So that's the purpose of the adjournment.
No problem with that, Judge. No objection.
All right, how's July 29th at 8:30 a.m.?
July 29th. What day is that? Is that a Monday?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to Island, and I don't think I'm going to be back on the 29th. I think it's maybe can we have it maybe the end of that week?
In June? I'm sorry, in August?
Yeah, August, any day in August.
Mr. Tooks.
Hold on a second, Judge. We can do August the 8th.
That's August 8th at 8:30.
We'll see you then, Judge. Thank
right,
you very much.
Mr. Teller, you'll be back in front of me, sir. Same courtroom, same Zoom number, August 8th at 8:30. Sir, you got it?
Yes, sir.
All right, you're free to go. Anything else, Mr. Magnuson?
No, Judge, thank you very much.
All right, you're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, Mark.
All right, Mr. Plachik and Mr. Brown, did you work out Samuel Kent?
No, Mr. Brown disappeared from the screen, I think.
That is correct.
So he left?
Judge.
Yeah.
I think Mr. Brown is retained on, is that Samuel Kent?
Yes, sir.
He's retained on that one, Judge.
All right, Mr. Plachik, you are released. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Ava.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Glazer, how do you want to proceed with Mr. Chandler, Daquan Chandler?
I'm ready, Judge.
How do you want to proceed?
We're seeking an adjourned date, Judge.
All right, Mr. Daquan Chandler, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can.
On your case, 24-0572-0901, people versus Daquan Chandler.
Cal Nager for the people, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Jeffrey Glazer, PE 46892, on behalf of Mr. Chandler. He's here via Zoom. He consent to Zoom for today's hearing.
All right, Mr. Chandler, I need your name, sir.
Daquan Chandler.
All right, good morning. Mr. Nager, in the offer.
Judge, there is consent HIDA is the offer, count 1. Count 2 is a traffic misdemeanor. I'm offering a civil infraction on count 2.
All right, Mr. Glazer.
Yes, Judge. I need an opportunity to review discovery, talk to my client about this. I'm asking for an adjourned date, ask the offer to be held open.
All right, how was July 24th at 8:30? July 24th at 8:30 a.m.
That's perfect, Judge.
All right, Mr. Chandler, you be back in my courtroom, same courtroom, sir, same Zoom number, July 24th, 8:30 a.m. So you have that date and time.
Yes, I do.
All right, Mr. Glazer, anything else as it relates to Mr. Chandler?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Chandler, you're free to go. Mr. Glazer, is that it for you?
That is. Thank you, Judge. Have a great afternoon.
I can see you. All right, Ms. Bates.
Judge Robbins, was that July 24th?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Ms.
Good morning,
Bates, is it Marquand or Marquand?
Marquand Adams.
All right, Marquand Adams, can you hear me?
Yes.
On your case, 24-0571-8601, people versus Marquand Adams.
Cal Nager for the people, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Melanie Bates appearing on behalf of Marquand Adams, who is present on Zoom. Mr. Adams, can you state your name for the record?
Mark Quinn Adams.
All right, good morning.
Good morning.
Nature in the offers.
Yes, Your Honor. The offer on Mr. Marquand Adams is HIDA. No, I'm sorry. It's no reduced plea at this juncture, and I believe Ms. Bates was going to check on the status of another matter involving Mr. Adams. So it's no reduced plea right now.
Yes, Judge, me and Mr. Upshaw will be checking into that. Cal provided some information for that.
All right, how's July 29th at 8:30 a.m.? July 29th at 8:30.
That works, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Adams, you'll be back in my courtroom, same Zoom number, sir. July 29th, 8:30 a.m., sir. You have that date and time.
Yes.
All right, Ms. Bates, anything else as it relates to Mr. Adams?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Adams,
Thank you, Ms. Bates.
Thank you.
We'll see you on July 29th, Mr. Adams, 8:30 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Ms. Bates, always good seeing you.
Good seeing you as well. Have a good day, everyone.
You too. AM, I sent you a text.
All right, Mr. Martin, how do you want to proceed on Theodore Morgan? Is he here, Andrea?
He is not present on Zoom, Your Honor. I'm asking to waive his presence and adjourn the probable cause conference date.
What?
Well, I've spoken to him, but he's not able to Zoom. He has a flip phone. And so I'm trying to get another date. I need another date anyway to review your offer with him, Cal, and the discovery and everything. So if he were here, I'd still be asking for another date. So I'm just asking to waive his presence and get another date.
Okay, Ms. Martin, I just want to, you said you spoke with him how recently, if I can ask?
Today, like right before I logged back into Zoom.
Today?
This morning. Yes.
Okay. Judge, based on those representations by Ms. Martin, who I have much respect for, I will agree to waive his presence today.
Thank you, Cal.
Thank you.
All right, this is from your reaction. I wasn't sure, Cal.
Well, yeah, but it's Ms. Martin, and it's hard for me to say no to Ms. Martin.
All right, this is case 20. I'm too busy to mock you today, so let me go for it. This is 0571-7301 versus Theodore Morgan.
Cal Nager for the people.
Alicia Martin, Your Honor, P69003 on behalf of Mr. Morgan. Requesting to waive Mr. Morgan's presence for the purpose of today's probable cause conference.
And Judge, based on the representations by Ms. Martin that she's had recent contact with the defendant, I will today agree to waive his presence.
All right, Ms. Martin, how's July 24th at 8 a.m.? July 24th, 8 a.m.
Checking right now, Judge. July 24. I think that'll be a good day, Judge.
All right, 8:30 a.m., July 24th. You're all set.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Cal. You guys have a great one.
Thank you, Alicia. You too.
All right.
Did you see my text again?
Ready, Your Honor.
Are you proceeding with Carnell Anderson?
He wants to bail himself with the people's offer, Your Honor. They offered him a misdemeanor.
All right, let me ask Ms. Farage. Ms. Farage,
Yes.
are you proceeding with DeMarco Taylor?
Your Honor, that's not my case. My case is
I'm sorry,
Terrell Sykes.
Terrell Sykes, right above. That's Ms. Michon.
Just an adjournment, Your Honor.
All right, is he here? Mr. Sykes, Terrell Sykes. I'll call the case 24-0571-9901. Terrell Sykes.
Cal Major for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Sahar Faraj appearing on behalf of Mr. Sykes. And Your Honor, I guess he's not on Zoom. I did speak with him yesterday. Your Honor, based on that, I'm going to ask for an adjournment, or I'm sorry, that the court waive his presence for the purposes of today's hearing.
Mr. Major.
What was that last part, Judge? I didn't catch what Ms. Farage said. I don't agree to waive the presence, Judge. So, you know, whatever the court wants to do.
All right, so here's what
for a capious review date. I believe it's the first time, Judge.
Right, this is the first time also pursuant to MCR 6.103, parents A. We'll set this for a capious review. I was July 30th, Ms. Farage, at 8:30 a.m.
That works, Your Honor.
All right, good. Okay. All right, so you're all set. Good seeing you.
Thank you.
What's the name of that client, Judge? I'm sorry.
Sykes, Terrell Sykes.
Sykes. Okay. Thank you.
All right. Mr. Taylor.
Yes, sir.
Hold on for one more second. Ms. Viney. Ms. Viney.
Yes, yes.
How are you proceeding today?
You know, if I can have a brief breakout room with Mr. Nader, we did discuss a potential resolution yesterday. I just wanted to confirm the length of the potential resolution. Mr. Nader, do you need a breakout room with me or?
No, is this on Mr. Williams?
Willis, James Willis.
I'm sorry, Mr. Willis?
Yes.
I have it as 18 months probation.
Is it possible I could speak with you then in a brief breakout room?
We're busy right now. You might have to wait a couple of minutes.
That's fine. That's fine. I will wait. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Taylor, you ready with Carnell Anderson?
Yes, sir.
Carnell Anderson, can you hear me, sir? Carnell Anderson, you're on mute, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Calling your case, sir. 23-0599-5101. Fee versus Carnell Anderson.
Cal Major on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Mr. Anderson. Mr. Anderson, would you state your name for the record, please?
Carnell Anderson.
All right, good morning. All right, Mr. Nader in the office.
Yes, Your Honor. I talked to Mr. Taylor about this case, and I am offering a misdemeanor, obtaining a pistol without a license with all standard conditions, 40 hours community service. That's a 90-day misdemeanor, 12 months probation, Judge.
He wants to bail himself for that offer, Your Honor.
Mr. Anderson, you understand what the prosecutor's offer is, sir?
Yes.
Waiving the right to have a preliminary examination today.
Yes.
Somebody threaten you, force you, or promise you anything to get your waiver examination right today?
No.
Of course, going to accept the waiver, Mr. Anderson automatically be bound over as it relates to the arraignment. He stands in the ways formal reading. Mr. Taylor?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Of course, going to not guilty plea today. Mr. Anderson, please raise your right hand, sir. Solemnly swear affirm the testimony about to give today be the truth.
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. If I accept a guilty plea from you today, sir, obtaining a pistol without a license, the maximum penalty I can impose can be up to a $500 fine and up to 90 days in jail. You understand that, sir?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Understand if I accept a plea from you today, sir, you give up or you waive certain constitutional rights.
Yes.
Understand you waive the right to have a trial by judge or jury.
Yes.
You have the right to remain silent without that silence being used against you.
Yes.
The right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
Yes.
Anybody threaten you or force you to get you plead guilty?
No.
Anybody promise you anything beyond this misdemeanor to get you plead guilty?
No.
Date, time, location, fashion basis, Mr. Nader.
No.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Anderson, bringing your attention to the date of June 30th, 2021 in the city of Detroit, in the area of Joanne Street in the city of Detroit. At some point, did you have interaction with the police?
Yes.
Were you carrying a handgun, a pistol on your person at the time?
Yes.
Was it concealed in some fashion in a pocket or under a shirt at that time?
Yes.
Did you possess a CPL license which would allow you to carry a gun?
No.
Thank you very much. I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
Likewise, Your Honor.
All right, court's going to accept the guilty plea. With immediate sentencing, Mr. Taylor, anything you want to say on behalf of your client before I impose sentence?
Only does this first offense, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Anderson, anything you want to say, sir?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Nature, anything on behalf of the people?
No, Your Honor, nothing to add.
All right, Mr. Anderson, I'm going to comply with the agreement you have with the prosecutor's officer, place you on probation for a period of 12 months in the 36th District Court Probation Department, sir. During the time you're on probation, you have to report 3 times to the probation department. Again, the 36th District Court. The first time will be in person. I'm going to get back to you in a second and let you know what you need to do for that. The second time you need to report, sir, will be by Zoom or by telephone the second month that you're on probation. And the last time you have to report, sir, will be the 12th month, the last month that you're on probation. That'll be by Zoom or by telephone, and the method will be determined by your probation officer, so you understand.
Yes.
During the time you're on probation, it will be a $35 per month supervision fee that you have to pay for your supervision. Also, during the time that you're on probation, you have to comply with the following terms and conditions, sir. You cannot own, possess, or use any guns, no weapons, no firearms. Also, you cannot possess or consume any illegal drugs or non-prescribed medication. You cannot pick up any new felonies. You cannot pick up any new misdemeanors. If you have any outstanding traffic tickets, sir, or if you pick up any new traffic tickets, those have to be resolved prior to you being discharged off of probation in this case. You understand? Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, also, you cannot engage in assaultive conduct or aggressive behavior. You working now, sir?
Yes.
All right, where you working, sir?
LI University.
All right, you have to maintain legitimate employment while you're on probation. It will be 40 hours of community service that you have to complete. The probation officer will let you a little bit more about that. Going forward, how old are you, sir?
30.
All right, now, when you're arrested, did the police officer confiscate your handgun?
Yes, I did, but I had got it back.
I'm sorry?
What?
I had got it back because the case was dismissed.
I guess I didn't follow that, Judge. What's he saying about
You
that?
got it back because the case was dismissed.
Got it back.
They brought it forth, and the case was dismissed, and they reissued it, Your Honor.
Yeah, that it is a reissue.
Yeah.
He has to forfeit that weapon, Judge. So he's going to have to make arrangements with the OIC. I can talk to Mr. Taylor, but he has to forfeit that weapon.
Mr. Taylor?
Yes, sir. No problem. I'll
Go
get
ahead.
we can bring it in, Your Honor.
All right.
Yeah, he's going to have to. I'll give you the OIC's name and number, and you'll have to contact him, and he's going to have to go over there and drop it off.
Okay, no problem.
Mr. Anderson?
Well, yeah.
All right,
Yes.
because of your agreement, sir, case was reinstated. So as a result of the plea agreement, sir, you agreed that you're going to forfeit that weapon to law enforcement. You understand that?
I don't have that weapon no more. I sold it.
What are you saying, Mr. Anderson?
I sold it.
Oh, he doesn't have it no more, Your Honor.
Yeah, the paperwork in the system.
No problem. No problem.
Okay.
He doesn't have it. Yeah.
Judge, I understand. I just want it as a part of the record. I mean, if he doesn't have the weapon, he doesn't have it. He can't turn it in. But the order should still say forfeit the weapon.
All right. Any objection, Mr. Taylor?
No, sir.
All right, so the order will say that the gun will be forfeited to law enforcement. All right. Also, as far as fines, fees, and costs are concerned, Mr. Taylor, this is appointed.
Yes, sir.
All right, sir, there will be a $50 fine. There's a mandatory $75 crime victims' rights fee I must impose by law, sir. I cannot reduce or eliminate that by law. There's also another mandatory fee I must impose by law, $65 state fee. There's also going to be a $50 36th District Court administrative fee, $260 attorney fee for a total of $500, sir. Can you pay that by July 19th?
July 19th. Can I get a couple days after July 19th?
July 26th.
Yep. Yes, that's fine.
All right. Now, I need your telephone number for the probation department.
586-257-3490.
I have it. Thanks, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Tooks. Now, Mr. Anderson, I need to give you some information so you have something to write with.
Yes.
All right, so you have to report to the probation department at 36th District Court. No sooner. First day you can report will be May 29th.
May 29th. Do it matter what time?
I'm sorry?
Do it matter what time?
I'm about to give you all that, sir. May 29th. The last date will be June 6th. That's your window. All right, now, that's be Monday through Friday between 9:30 in the morning and 3:30 in the afternoon. I'm sorry, 8:30 in the morning and 3:30 in the afternoon. That's your time and your days that you can report from. Anytime between, not any time, but between May 29th and June 6th, Monday through Friday, between 8:30 in the morning and 3:30 in the afternoon. You got it?
Yes.
I want you to report before that because they may not have your paperwork processed. So I'm going to give you the telephone number. So on May 29th, you can give them a call to make sure they have your paperwork before you come down. That telephone number is 313-224, I'm sorry, 313-965.
965.
Repeating, 313-965-3414.
3414.
All right.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
All right, now I'm going to give you all the different ways and places where you can pay, sir. You can come down here and pay in person at 36th District Court, doing regular business hours and non-business hours. We do have a kiosk machine located outside the building that's accessible to the public 24 hours a day. You can come on down here after hours, sir. I'm sorry. Yeah, we do have a kiosk machine outside the building where you can pay 24 hours a day, or you can download the DivDat payment app, sir, and pay that way. You can go online. We have a website at 36districtcourt.org. You can pay that way. We have a number of Rite Aid and CVS that are still open in the city of Detroit where you pay utility bills and you can still pay there. Also, we have a number of community centers throughout the city, sir, one of which is the Northwest Activity Center on the west side. On the east side, we have the Samaritan Center, which is 5555 Connor and Shoemaker. You also can go to a central area downtown, sir, right down in the middle of downtown, actually near the water, on Woodward and East Jefferson. You can go during regular business hours and pay it the Monday through Friday and pay at the Coleman Young Municipal Center. You have all those different ways and places where you can pay.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Taylor, anything else?
No, sir.
All right, Mr. Anderson, good luck to you, sir. Free to
All right, thank you.
All right,
Thank
Mr.
you,
Taylor.
Ed.
Oh,
Thank you,
take
Ed.
care,
Good to
Cal.
see you, Ed.
Same here. You guys have a good day. Yep. Take care.
All right, you too. All right, Ms. Michon, you have DeMarco Taylor.
Yes, Judge, may I have a breakout room with him?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Ms. Michon,
Yes,
speak up sooner. We could have got you in a little sooner than that.
no worries.
Ms. Michon, do you need to talk to me before you go into a breakout room?
No, I've already got the offer on Mr. Taylor as well as Mr. Was it Kilgore? But I don't see Kilgore on the line.
Kilgore was retained by Mr. Jeff Edison.
That helps me out. Then may I please Taylor to confirm what
Taylor? Did I give you a plea offer on Taylor or some
you
other time?
did? You gave me, hang on 2 seconds. Slow computers today. My notes indicate an attempt carrying a concealed weapon, 18 months of probation, forfeit the debt, and any other terms and conditions to be set by the court. Is that not accurate?
No, that is accurate. I added in my notes that the reporting could be remote reporting, and based on his health and forfeiture of two guns that were seized.
Will do. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Kanuki,
Good morning, Your Honor.
you have Michaela Knight.
I do. Michaela Knight wants to accept the offer from the people to Haida.
Ms. Knight, can you hear me?
Yes.
I'm sorry, Michaela Knight. I'm sorry. Michaela Knight, you can hear me?
Yes.
All right, this is case 24-57-19701, P versus Michaela Knight.
Kel Nager for the people, Your Honor.
May it please the court, Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit by Jeffrey Kanucky, P64800 on behalf of Michaela Knight. Michaela Knight, please state your name for the record.
Michaela Knight.
All right, good morning. Mr. Nager, in your office.
Yes, Your Honor. Haida probation with standard conditions and community service.
Mr. Kanucky.
And I discussed that offer with my client, and my client wishes to accept the offer of Haida probation.
All right, Michaela Knight, you understand what the prosecutor's offer is?
Yes.
All right, and you understand what this Haida status is all about?
Yes.
Are you waiving the right to have a preliminary examination today?
Yes.
Anybody threaten you or force you to get your plea guilty?
No.
Anybody promise you anything beyond this Haida status to get your plea guilty?
No.
All right, Mr. Nager, as it relates to the arraignment? I'm sorry, Mr. Arraignment stands to be waived formal reading, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Of course, we're not guilty plea today. Michaela Knight, please raise your right hand. solemnly swear affirm the testimony you're about to give today be the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand out. All right. Now you understand if I accept a guilty plea from you today for carrying a concealed weapon, the maximum penalty I can impose can be up to 5 years in prison.
Yes.
Understand if I accept a plea from you today, sir, man, give up, you waive your right to have a trial by judge or jury.
Yes.
The right to remain silent without that silence being used against you.
Yes.
The right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
Yes.
Anybody threaten you or force you to get your plea guilty?
No.
Anybody promise you anything beyond this height of status to get your plea guilty?
No.
All right, Mr. Nature, daytime location, factual basis, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Knight Michaela Knight on 5/11, that is May 11th, 2024. Were you driving a car on Livernois Avenue in the city of Detroit with a passenger and got pulled over?
Yes.
Got pulled over by the police, I should say?
Yes.
Did you have a handgun, a pistol in the car with you at the time?
Yes.
Did you possess a license called a CPL that would allow you to have a gun in the car?
No.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm satisfied with the factual basis.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, court's going to accept a guilty plea. Looking at a sentencing date of July 24th at 10 o'clock a.m. July 24th at 10 o'clock a.m. Is that a good day and time for you?
That is, Judge. That'll work fine.
All right, Michaela Knight, you'll be back in front of me, same courtroom, same Zoom number, July 24th at 10 o'clock a.m. You have that date and time.
Yes.
Need your telephone number for the probation department.
810-569-9495.
Thank you.
All right, now I need you to write some information down. You have something to write with?
Yes, 1 second. Okay, I'm ready.
You need to contact the Department of Corrections Probation Department tomorrow.
Okay.
The phone number is 313-224-2600. Repeating, 313-224-2600. You got it?
Yes.
All right, now you need to call tomorrow between 9:30 in the morning and 3:30 in the afternoon. You have to call. The trick is you have to call until somebody answers that phone. You cannot just leave a message. If you leave a message, they won't call you back. You won't be able to register. Once you get through, they're going to take some information from you, name, address, telephone number. They're going to turn that information over to a probation officer who's going to call you in a couple of weeks to interview you. After the interview, they send me a report. That's the important part of this interview, and that's what I need is the report. Once they send it to me, I'll send it to Mr. Kanucky. He'll go over it with you to make sure it's accurate. However, I will not get it if you don't register, and I won't get it if you don't finish that interview. You understand that?
Yes.
Something goes wrong if you don't do either one of those. If you don't register, or if you don't complete that interview, call Mr. Kanucky or contact the Department of Corrections Probation Department to get us back on track. You go forward with your sentencing again will be July 24th at 10 o'clock. You got it?
Yes.
Mr. Kanucky, anything else?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Michaela Knight, free to go. Make sure you make that call tomorrow. We'll see you back here on same courtroom, same Zoom number, July 24th, 10 o'clock a.m.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Mr. Kanucky.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day, everyone.
Mr. Kanucky,
Thank you, Jeff.
Mr. Kanucky, we should have done a time lapse on that beard of yours.
It's getting too hot out. I don't want it too long.
A big difference between the winter and now. So I said,
Right.
we don't want those little time lapse capsule things, you know.
Judge, he can grow it back in 3 days, so it's
Oh,
not an
yeah.
issue at all.
Oh, yeah.
The beard grows back fine. It's the rest of the hair that doesn't.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
right.
All right, good seeing you.
Good to see you, Judge. Have a good day.
Take care, Jeff. Good to see you. Andrea,
Michaela Knight, you're free to go.
Okay.
AM, Mr. Mark Brown is in the waiting room. He texted me. He wants to come in.
And Mr. Taylor is ready to plead when the court is available.
So, Ms. Michon, what you trying to say?
Saying I'm ready.
That means you're ready
Ready.
now. That means you're available now. So I should be available now, right?
Absolutely.
All right. DeMarco Taylor. You're on mute, DeMarco Taylor.
Yes.
On your case, sir. 24-056-03-201 versus DeMarco Taylor.
And good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Kim Michon, Neighborhood Defender Services, P59167. It's my pleasure to represent Mr. Taylor.
All right, Mr. Taylor, I need your name for the record, sir.
My name is DeMarco Taylor.
All right, good morning.
Good morning.
Offers.
Yes, Your Honor. As Ms. Michon and I stated, as she stated earlier, attempt CCW, 18 months probation. I indicated that can be remote reporting with all other standard conditions and forfeiture of 2 weapons that were seized.
That is the correct assessment. I've advised him of that offer along with his constitutional rights to proceed forward. He wishes to accept the offer.
Mr. Taylor, you understand what the prosecutor's offer is, sir?
Yes.
Waiving the right to have a preliminary examination today?
Yes.
Anybody threaten you, force you, promise you anything to get you waiver examination rights today?
No.
Court's going to accept the waiver. Mr. Taylor automatically be bound over as it relates to the arraignment. Ms. Michon, you stands me waits forward.
Yes, sir.
Court's going to enter not guilty plea today. Mr. Taylor, I need you to raise your right hand. Solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give today be the truth.
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Now, you understand if I accept a guilty plea from you today for attempt carrying a concealed weapon, the maximum penalty I can impose can be up to 2.5 years in prison.
Yes.
You understand if I accept a plea from you today, sir, you give up or you waive certain constitutional rights.
Yes.
You understand you waive your right to have a trial by judge or jury.
Yes.
Your right to remain silent without that silence being used against you.
Yes.
Waive your right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
Yes.
Anybody threaten you or force you to get you plead guilty?
No.
Anybody promise you anything beyond this
Your Honor, I'm so sorry.
attempt carrying a concealed weapon to get you plead guilty?
No.
Take time, location, and factual basis, Mr. Nature.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Taylor, on February 13th, 2024, were you a passenger in a car with other individuals when the car got pulled over by the police?
Yes.
I'm sorry, one more time.
Yes.
And was this in the city of Detroit in the area of Greenview Avenue?
Yes.
And at the time, did you have a handgun, a pistol in the vehicle with you?
Yes.
And did you possess a CPL that would allow you to have a gun in the car?
No.
Thank you very much. Your Honor, I'm satisfied.
Satisfied, Judge.
All right, court's going to accept the guilty plea, Ms. Michon, looking at sentencing date of July 24th, 10:00 a.m.
That's just fine. July 24th.
All right, Mr. Taylor, you'll be back in my courtroom, same Zoom number, sir, July 24th at 10:00 a.m. You got that?
Okay.
Now I need your telephone number for the probation.
810-335-1212.
Thank you.
All right, now I need to give you some information, sir. You got something to write with.
Yes.
You need to contact the Department of Corrections Probation Department, sir. Tomorrow, that phone number is 313.
Okay.
224.
Okay.
2600. Repeating, 313-224-2600. You got it?
Okay. Yes.
Now you need to call between 9:30 in the morning and 3:30 in the afternoon.
Okay.
And the trick is going to be, sir, you have to call until you actually get through to a person, not just leave a message. If you leave a message, they won't call you back. You won't be able to register. Now, once you get through, they're going to take some information from you, name, address, telephone number. They'll turn that information over to a probation officer who's going to call you in a couple of weeks to interview you. You have to complete that interview process because after that, they send me a report. It's called a pre-sentence investigation report. That report is required under Michigan law. Once I get it, I'll turn it over to give it to Ms. Michon. She'll go over it with you to make sure it's accurate. Now, if something goes wrong, if you cannot register tomorrow, for some reason, if you can't get through or if you cannot complete that interview, contact Ms. Michon. She'll contact the Department of Corrections Probation Department, get us back on track so we can go forward on July 24th at 10 o'clock with your sentencing. You got it?
Okay.
All right, Ms. Michon, anything else as it relates to Mr. Taylor?
No, thank you so very much, Judge. A lovely day to you and your staff as always, as well as Mr. Taylor. You can sign off, Mr. Taylor.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Michon. Good seeing you.
Always nice to see you, Judge.
All right.
Judge Robbins,
Yes, sir.
was that a CCW regular?
Attempt.
Plea?
Attempt, yeah.
Attempt. And what's the sentencing date?
July 24th.
Okay, thanks.
All right. Mr. Bradford.
Morning, Judge. I have Mr. Arrington, who looks to be on, and I have Mr. Blanding, who I think is in the waiting.
All right. Mr. Brown, I got a couple of cases for you. You have the Devin Harris case, right?
Yes, I have Mr. Samuel Kent. Devin Harris, is that an adjournment or was adjourned to this date?
Judge, that was also assigned to me, Judith Grady.
Okay.
And there's been confusion on that. My order said March.
Have you talked to
Mr. Brown is in the computer as a review hearing today, but Mr. Najar said that he never pled guilty to it. And
Yeah, Judy, I think that's correct, but I wanted to know from Mr. Tooks, is that a KPS review date on Mr. Devin Harris, Mr. Tooks?
Yeah, he KPS when Mr. Brown was handling this case, and then he got back in the KPS was recalled, and then they reappointed Ms. Grady.
All right.
Okay, that's good.
So it's a PCC, Mr. Tooks?
Correct.
PCC, okay. All right.
Okay. So I just have Mr. Kent. Mr. Kent.
Correct.
All right. Is Mr. Harris here?
No, Your Honor, Mr. Harris is not here. Back in March, I got an investigator who went to the house. The mother answered and said she could not give us a phone number, that he would call us, and never has.
All right. You ready for me to call the case?
Yes, sir.
24-055-31801, people versus Devin Harris.
Cal Nager for the people, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Judith Grady on behalf of Devin Harris. Your Honor, I have not been able to get in touch with him, left messages with his mother. My name is not in the 36th District Court computer, so I don't know if that can be changed or updated.
I can change it. What's your P number, ma'am?
44567. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Mr. Harris has failed to appear. Mr. Nager.
Your Honor, I'm going to ask for a KPS to enter because there has been a previous failure to appear.
My defendant has failed to appear. This is actually the second time that we've, at least one of the time he's KPS, so I'm going to enter KPS. Issue warrant for his arrest. Upon rearrest, defensive bond will be a $1,000 10% bond. Ms. Grady, anything else?
Just one other different case, Judge. Somebody is on the phone by the name of Antonio. I wanted to see if he is on your docket. Antonio Kitchen?
Yes.
Okay, in 36th District Court, there's an attorney listed, Christopher Nezzi. They gave him my phone number, but I do not have an assignment for him.
Judge, this is a case that Mr. Kitchens was assigned to NDS. He did have attorney Nessie. The attorney at NDS who handles this is Corianne McMillan. She talked to Mr. Nessie, and Mr. Nessie said he is no longer representing Mr. Kitchens. This was a conversation from yesterday.
Hello, how you doing?
All right, so
is it with NDS then, Cody?
Yes, I think we can just be spot appointed back on the case now that retained counsel is no longer retained. Unless Ms. Grady wants it.
It sounded like Ms. Grady might have been appointed on it. They called her.
Okay.
I do not have that assignment, but I'll be happy to take the case, Judge. I just need to talk to my client. Is there an offer on it?
Well, we got to be careful because I can't, as a judge, I can't spot appoint it.
Correct.
I have to call the spot appointments, and they have to. You want to call them, Ms. Grady, and see if they'll spot appoint you, but I can't do it.
Yes, I can try to get hold of somebody right now.
All right.
Thank you. Is there an offer on this case?
There is not, Judy. It's a no reduced plea on this one. He has a pending serious felony in 6th Circuit Court, Oakland County.
Okay, thank you. I'll get back with the court.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Bradford.
What are you doing? So he's here, Judge.
Who's here?
Mr. Kitchen is here on screen. So.
Yeah, I have him.
Yes, he has to go back in the waiting room for now.
Oh, okay. Good know. Alrighty. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Bradford, you ready on Jeremiah Arrington?
Yes.
Mr. Arrington, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, hey, how you doing, sir?
Case 24-056-44901, people versus Jeremiah Arrington. I'm feeling fine, sir.
Cal Nager for the people, Your Honor. Good morning. Again.
Good morning, Judge, to your staff, Cody Bradford from Neighborhood Defender Service P85944. I'm here standing in on behalf of Attorney of Record Andrew Sullivan, here representing Mr. Arrington. Mr. Arrington, can you state your name, please?
Jeremiah Arrington.
All right, good morning. Mr. Nager, in the office.
Yes, Your Honor. The offer is consent HIDA with all standard conditions and community service.
Judge, it's my understanding that Mr. Arrington has had a conversation with Mr. Sullivan about the offer as well as his right to a preliminary exam. It's my understanding he would like to take advantage of the offer.
Mr. Arrington, you understand what the prosecutor's offer is? Can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Waiving your right to have a preliminary examination today?
Sir.
Can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Anybody threaten you, force you, or promise you anything to get your waiver examination right today?
No.
Court's going to accept the waiver. Mr. Arrington automatically be bound over as it relates to the arraignment. He's standing new ways formal reading.
That's correct.
Court's going to enter not guilty plea today. Mr. Arrington, please raise your right hand, sir. You solemnly swear affirm the testimony you're about to give today be the truth?
Yes.
And you put your hand down. You understand if I accept the guilty plea from you today for carrying a concealed weapon, the maximum penalty I can impose can be up to 5 years in prison.
Yes.
Understand if I accept the plea from you today, you give up or you waive certain constitutional rights.
Yes.
Understand you waive your right to have a trial by judge or jury. Waive your right to have a trial by judge or jury.
Yes.
Your right to remain silent without that silence being used against you.
Yes, sir.
Right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
Yes, sir.
Anybody threaten you or force you to get your plea guilty?
No.
Anybody promise you anything beyond this HIDA status to get your plea guilty?
No.
It's the nature, daytime, location, and factual basis.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Arrington, on March 27th, 2024, were you in a car with another person and got pulled over by the police?
Yes.
Did you have a handgun, a pistol with you in the vehicle at the time that the car got pulled over?
Yes.
Did you, this was a handgun, a pistol, you said?
Yes.
Did you possess a CPL license that would allow you to have a handgun in the car?
No.
Thank you. I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
Satisfied.
right, questions? About 2,500, Cal.
It's been a long time since that happened.
25 up to 2,500. Look, we got payment plans here. All right. How about Mr. Bradford, July 25th, 10 o'clock?
Let me double check Attorney Sullivan's calendar. Did you say July 25th?
Yes, sir.
That looks like it should be fine, Judge.
All right, Mr. Arrington, you be back in my courtroom, same Zoom number, July 25th at 10 o'clock a.m. So you have that date and time?
Yes, sir.
I need your telephone number for the probation department, sir.
313-854-2018.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, so I need you to write some information down. You have something to write with?
Yes, sir.
You need to contact the Department of Corrections Probation Department tomorrow.
Okay.
Phone number is 313-224.
You said what now?
313-224-2600.
Got it.
You need to call tomorrow between 9:30 in the morning and 3:30 in the afternoon.
Okay.
When you call, you have to call, not leave a message, because you won't be able to register. They won't check the messages and they won't call you back. You have to call until somebody answers the phone. You got it?
Yes.
Now, once they answer the phone, they're going to get some information from you, name, address, telephone number. They're going to turn that information over to a probation officer who's going to call you in a couple of weeks to interview you. You have to complete that interview process, because after that, they send me a report called a pre-sentence investigation report. That report is required by Michigan law. I won't get it if you don't complete the registration. I won't get it if you don't complete that interview. You understand?
Yes.
Now, if something goes wrong, if you can't register tomorrow or you cannot get that interview completed, you call Mr. Bradford, you'll contact the Department of Corrections Probation Department, Mr. Sullivan, and they'll contact them and get us back on track so we can go forward on July 25th at 10 o'clock. You got it?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Bradford. Anything else as it relates to Mr. Arrington?
No, Judge. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Arrington, make sure you make that call tomorrow, sir. We'll see you back here on July 25th, 10 o'clock a.m. You got it?
Okay, thank you.
All right, free to go. All right, Mr. Bradford, you have Ramonte Blanding.
Yes, Judge. He said he's in the waiting room.
Mr. Blanding. We only have one person, and that's a lawyer. Is Mr. Blanding in the courtroom? Mr. Blanding, Ramonte Blanding.
No, he's at work right now trying to zoom in. Let me just give me a second, Judge. Just pass
right there in the Mr. Bradford, can you hear me?
Ms. Vining.
Mr. Bradford, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I think this is him with the thing in his head. iPhone. I'm gonna ask you something.
Ms. Vinek needed a quick breakout room.
All right, hold on. Okay, let's do this because we need to take a break. Is that Mr. Blanding? Is that you, sir? Thumbs up. That's you with the cap on. Looks like he looks like he's in the hospital.
Oh no, me. No, this is Zachary Shorter, Judge.
All right, you in the hospital, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right,
Shorter. Okay. Okay. Ms. Vining, who's the client?
My client, Your Honor, is yes, my client is James Willis.
Yeah.
James Willis, and then Judge Davis is here for Tiffany Jackson, and then we maybe can give her an offer, and then we can go in the breakout room for a second. I can give my staff a break. Mr. Brown, I see.
And Mr. Brown needed a new date, I believe, Judge.
Oh, does he? Okay.
We can take care of him right now. If
you got Kent, right? Samuel Kent.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I do.
All right, Mr. Brown. This is Mr. Kent. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, calling your case. This is case 240571-6401. People versus Samuel Kent.
Cal Nager for the people, Judge.
Okay, please the court. My name is Mark Brown. My P number is 39562. I'm here on behalf of Mr. Samuel Kent III. Mr. Kent, state your name, sir.
Samuel Kent III.
All right, Mr. Nager in the office.
Judge, I've been in communication with Mr. Brown. I don't have a firm offer at this point. I do need to get some additional information from the investigators, but there may be an offer. Mr. Brown is retained. I sent him all the discovery. Did you get my text that I sent all the discovery?
I did. I responded. Thank you very much, Mr. Nager.
Thank you. So I believe we're getting a new date. Is that right, Mr. Brown?
Yes, sir. New PCC day, Judge.
How's July 23rd, 8:30 a.m.?
That's fine. That's fine.
Mr. Kent.
Yes, sir.
You back in my courtroom, same Zoom number, sir, on July 23rd at 8:30 a.m. So you have the date and time.
Sir, yes, sir.
All right. Now, if you have any other times on your paper that you got from the court, just give me those date and times and come back on the date I just gave you, which is July 23rd, 8:30 a.m. So, okay?
Sir, yes, sir. One question.
Yes, sir.
Am I still supposed to call that number every week up until this court date?
Yeah, that's for bond, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Right.
Okay, I'll talk to you, Mr. Kent.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Brown, good seeing you.
Thank you very much, Judge. Thank you, Mr. Nager. Everybody have a wonderful day.
Right.
You too, Mark. Just circle back with me. I'll have something to talk about.
Will do. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Kent, you're free to go, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
All right. Mr. Nager, you and Ms. Vining, Ms. Marshall, you need a break?
Just keep going, Judge.
Judge, actually, after I talk to Ms. Vining, I could use a very short break after I talk to a couple of lawyers.
Okay. You talk to a couple of lawyers first?
Let me talk to Ms. Vining, and then I'll talk to a couple of lawyers, Judge, and then maybe just like a 30-second break, if you could. Or not. Skip the break. It's okay.
No.
It should be a quick meeting, and then I just need to let my client know that we should be ready to go. So this should be a very quick meeting, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Marshall.
Yes, sir.
Can you put them in the breakout room?
Yes, sir.
How you doing? How you doing, Judge Davis?
Ms. Davis, who's your client, real quick?
Good morning. I have Tiffany Jackson. Good morning, Your Honor.
Tiffany Jackson, Judge Davis, I'm offering a misdemeanor transporting in a motor vehicle with all standard conditions and community service.
Okay. All right. And how long? Probation?
12 months.
Can we do 6?
No,
I mean,
no. I'm doing a misdemeanor, 90-day misdemeanor, 12 months probation.
I
That
had
is
to
it. That is it.
These
It's gonna go to
circumstances, I
18
had
if we
to
keep.
ask.
It's gonna go to 18 if we keep talking.
Come on.
May I
I'll be
have a
back in a
breakout
second.
room, please, Your Honor?
All right, Ms. Marshawi, I got Ms. Jackson, who's been patient, and I got Judge Davis. Can we put them in the breakout room, please?
Yes.
Thank you. Andrea,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you get those pictures I sent you?
Yeah, they were just absolutely beautiful. I meant to come. I was going to tell you about them yesterday if I didn't say anything on the record. I was going to come in and say something to you while I was visiting, but you know, it is what it is. One more. I have a Lante Crawford. That was Dupree. Mr. Dupree never came back. He's going to come right back. He was on a diversion. Mr. Crawford, you have your lawyer's phone number.
I do. I've been texting him on the side. I've been in this been in court since like 8 in the morning. I'm like, am I last?
I know, but he stepped away. He sent me he sent me a chat, and let me go find it. And yeah, he said I got to jump out for something in Third Circuit. I will return as soon as possible. So and that was an hour ago or so. So he said,
I last talked to him.
Andrea.
Yes, sir.
Just
Yes,
text
sir.
me like
I am
moments
out of the
ago.
breakout room,
Hello?
but Ms. Vinek needs a breakout room with her client.
I'm sorry, I've been talking and I didn't know my the thing was mute, but he said that you had a large docket today. And
Yeah, so
hang on. I don't know why this person just please.
he was talking to me when you came on. So yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
Okay. Yeah,
Person.
Mr. Crawford, your lawyer's gonna come back for. You can still send him a text. I'm looking for him, but he hasn't appeared yet. Let me see. Okay.
Yeah, no, he appeared earlier. Mr. Dupree appeared. He appeared. I talked to him. He's coming back.
Right. If he sent me a text message. Okay, Ms. Vinek, breakout room number 2 with your client. Who's your client again?
James Willis. Thanks.
Yeah. Mr. Willis, breakout room number 2 with your lawyer.
Thank you.
And you're welcome. And Ms. Cho, who do you have? Ms. Cho, who do you have?
Good morning. I'm here on Mr. Anderson, Parnell Anderson. I don't know if he's joined the Zoom.
Yes, it's been taken care of by Mr. Bradford. Took care of it for you.
No.
Oh.
No, Cornell Anderson.
Oh no, I'm sorry.
That was Taylor. That was retained out.
Hey guys, she's checking in on Mr. Kitchen. Miss Cho, you're checking in on Mr. Kitchen, correct?
I'm checking in on Mr. Anderson, Carnell Anderson, and I have not had contact with him, so I do not know if he has retained.
He has retained. And they
have you spoken with Miss Peterson, Miss Cho?
Say that one more time.
Have you spoken with Miss Peterson? She just called me and said you'll be doing Mr. Kitchen case today.
I have not spoken with Miss Peterson, or the name Kitchen does not sound familiar. It was only Carnell Anderson.
Yeah, she just called me and told me. She just called me, ma'am. So you may want to give Miss Peterson a call, okay?
Okay, whose name is this?
What's the client's name? Kitchen?
Antonio Kitchen.
Antonio Kitchen, okay.
And this was somebody at NDS?
Yes, I got Miss Peterson on the line now. She said that you'll be checking on that case.
Mr. Bradford was here on that initially. Mr. Bradford, you want to say something?
Yeah, I will stand in today. If NDS is being reassigned to Mr. Kitchen after we have been removed, then I will stand in, and the case will go back to Corian McMillan and Robbins.
Okay, I'll let Miss Peterson know. Thank you, guys.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
Bring Mr. Anderson
Thank you, ma'am.
I can bring Mr. Anderson back in if you need me to.
Mm-hmm.
And Levon, who?
Yes.
Correct.
What sentence do you have?
Okay.
What sentence do you have?
Cody Bradfield's gonna do it. Okay.
What sentences do I have?
Yeah,
I have
paperwork on.
we only have paperwork on one, and that's Paris.
Paris. Oh, okay.
Paris.
So I'm gonna bring Mr. Nelson, and we can. His client is Nelson.
Shorter.
That shorter.
Yes.
Can I?
No PSI on him.
Can I get in here?
Yes.
Okay.
There's Kitchen. Wyatt Harris for Paris.
Hello?
Okay, go ahead, Cal.
Yeah. So if we can maybe, I think if we can have a very short break, I would.
Oh, yeah, you go ahead. I'm trying to figure all this out right here. These are
Yeah, thanks. And I know Ms. Vinek is talking to her client in a breakout room. That probably will be a plea.
And I would take oh, there's Matt Dupree. All right.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay, Cal.
I gotta get rid of one person that's not on the docket here. Jim Conduct.
It's actually, my name is Antonio Kitchen. That's just the name of my email address that's registered with the Zoom.
Oh, so you're on 2 devices, Mr. Kitchen?
No, I'm on my phone, but my email address registered up under the Zoom is different, and I don't know how to change it.
Okay.
I'm Antonio.
And what is your name, sir? Antonio what?
Paris.
Oh, Paris.
Paris.
Got it.
Paris.
Yep, that's what I got. Yep. I gave you the wrong name, but it's okay. Yeah, I'll figure it out now.
Thank you, guys.
All right.
Madam Clerk, I'm here for Mr. Paris. Oh,
Thank you, sir.
And
she's
that's
quiet
what
here.
got
Sis.
We're ready. We're ready as soon as
Cal gets back.
okay.
Right, Cal gets back. First, got to take a quick step away, but I'll be right back. And Miss Devon, who do you say didn't have the PSR?
McGee and Shorter.
Okay, and they're both right here. It's for the lawyers. Okay,
Yes.
be right back. Step away.
Mr. Paris, can you mute
devices.
yourself?
Oh,
It's okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's upstairs on 6th floor, right? Yeah, he's the supervisor on 6th floor.
Devon, I'm back here.
Sit yourself over here, Judge. Hold on,
I want to check in for McGee.
Okay.
Everybody, we're ready
Major.
now?
Yeah, AM stepped away.
Okay.
Hey, Cal, when we have the cases called, could we do Mr. Blanding? He's on break right now. He goes back to work at 11 and they won't let him have his phone.
Okay.
He's
Blanding?
yeah, he's pleading to the HIDA offer.
Okay.
I want to check in for Tawana McGee. I think she has a review today.
She has a sentencing.
And Cal, if possible, I have a meeting starting at 11.
Boy, everybody. Okay. We'll do them back to back. We'll do Melissa. We'll do Cody back to back.
Thank you.
Did you say McGee has a sentencing?
Yes.
I believe she was sentenced under HIDA. So is that for the review and delay on it or something?
Mr. Tooks, was it a review for McGee today?
I think it's a review. She was already sentenced, I thought. Or maybe what is sentencing? I don't know. I thought she was already
It
sentenced.
says sentencing in my book. I can look in the computer. Hold on.
Yeah, mine does too.
Yeah, sentencing. I got it as.
And did you get a PSI report for her?
I don't have one in my possession. I'd like to get, if someone could forward it to me, that'd be great.
She didn't complete it. So you have to talk to your client to see if she went in.
She didn't complete the
PSI. No.
Oh, okay.
She get interviewed.
I see. Okay. All right.
You said AM stepped away for a second.
Yes, Cal.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning, Wyatt. He's busy talking to somebody else. Okay.
Yeah, it's definitely set for sentencing, guys, today.
Okay.
I actually been here since like 8 in the morning, and I do have to move around. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be called today.
A
or
very
what's
busy
going on.
docket, everybody. It's just been a very heavy docket today. Who was that talking?
Mr.
Crawford.
We're still waiting on his attorney.
I could have sworn
Right.
something.
Yeah, your lawyer was here. The lawyer was here, and I talked to him, and now he had to go, and he'll be back.
Okay.
I just want to let it know to be known too. Zachary Shorter still here, just to let it be known.
Thank you, Mr. Shorter.
I think Ms. McGee is on the Zoom. Could you put us in a breakout room?
We will as soon as the court reporter returns. She'll be able to put
Thank
you in
you.
the breakout room.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. Probably just need to adjourn.
I got it. I got
Oh,
it.
you gotta do it.
Who? Miss
McGee?
McGee. All right.
So, Judge, Miss Oh, you were here. You were hearing all that anyways.
Where's, oh, there he is. Okay. Breakout room number 3, Mr. Ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. McGee, number 3.
She's not on screen.
And then we had 2 police ready to go.
I got it.
Oh, I don't know why I'm looking for this. Say guilty right there.
Okay.
Cal, you know this all your fault.
I know. Oh, you know, I accept.
Hi, James Willis dropped off. He's in the breakout room. He's not being able to be let back in. Can we let him back in? He's been here all morning.
We sure will.
Thank you.
No, he's not in the break. Who is it? James Willis?
James Willis. He's my client. He
he's
says
not-
that he's in the breakout room and that he's not being able to be let back in. Maybe he's on a phone. He said he's on
Oh, he's in the waiting room,
Yeah, he's in the waiting room.
not the breakout room.
There we go. Okay, I see him. So now we just need to have him connect to audio.
All right. Okay, here we go.
Thank you, AM.
All right, Mr. Bradford, you ready with Ramonte Blanding?
Yes, Judge. Mr. Blanding, can you come on screen?
Let me call the case. This is case 2405645901 versus Ramonte Blanding.
Kelly,
Good morning, Judge. Is there an echo or is that just my computer? Cody Bradford.
Andrew, can you identify what's going on?
Okay, can I try it? Okay, I think it's
There you
working.
go.
Cody Bradford, Neighborhood Defender Service, P85944, here on behalf of Mr. Blanding, who is present via Zoom. Mr. Blanding, can you state your name?
Ramonte Blanding.
All right, good morning. This is Major in the office.
Yes, Your Honor. The offer is consent HIDA with all standard conditions and community service.
Judge, I've gone over that offer with Mr. Blanding as well as his right to preliminary exam. We are going to waive the exam today and take advantage of the offer.
Mr. Blanding, you understand what the prosecutor's offer is, sir?
Yes, sir.
You understand what this HIDA status is, sir?
Yes, sir.
Waiving your right to have a preliminary examination today?
Yes, sir.
Anybody threaten you, force you, promise you anything to get your waiver examination right today?
No, sir.
Court's going to accept the waiver. Mr. Blanding will automatically be bound over as it relates to the arraignment. Stand in mute, waits formal reading.
Yes, Judge.
Court's going to enter not guilty plea today. Mr. Blanding, please raise your, you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you're about to give today will be the truth.
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. You understand if I accept the guilty plea from you today, sir, for can conceal weapon, you understand the maximum penalty acting opposed can be up to 5 years in prison.
Yes, sir.
You understand if I accept the plea, you give up or you waive certain constitutional rights.
Yes, sir.
You understand you waive your right to have a trial by judge or jury.
Yes, sir.
Your right to remain silent without that silence being used against you.
Yes, sir.
Your right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
Yes, sir.
Anybody threaten you or force you to get your plea guilty?
No, sir.
Anybody promise you anything beyond this HIDA status to get your plea guilty?
No, sir.
Major, date, time, location, factual basis, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Blanding, on March 27th, 2024, were you driving a car in the area of James Cousins and Wyoming streets in Detroit?
Yes, sir.
Did you get pulled over by the police?
Yes, sir.
At the time, did you have a handgun, a pistol in the vehicle with you?
Yes, sir. It was secured in the case.
You had a handgun in the vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did you possess a CPL that would allow you to carry a handgun?
No, sir.
Thank you very much. Judge, I'm satisfied.
Defense is satisfied, Judge.
Court's going to accept the guilty plea. Mr. Bradford, looking at the sentencing date of July 24th at 10 o'clock a.m. Is that a good day and time? July 24th, 10 o'clock
Yes,
a.m.
sir.
Yes.
Mr. Blanding, you'll be back in my courtroom, same Zoom number, sir, July 24th, 10 o'clock a.m. So you have that date and time.
Yes, sir.
Need your telephone number for the probation department.
Ready when you are.
Go ahead, sir.
248-825-9902.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Blanding, I need you to write this telephone number down, so you have to report and check in with the probation department tomorrow, sir. You ready for that number?
Yes, sir.
313-224-2600. And then number again is 313-224-2600. You got it?
Yep.
You need to call tomorrow between 9:30 in the morning and 3:30 in the afternoon. You have to keep calling until you actually get through and talk to a person. Don't leave a message. They won't call you back. You won't be able to register. Once you get through, they're going to get some information from you, name, address, telephone number. They're going to pass that information over to a probation officer who's going to call you in a couple of weeks to interview you. So you have to complete the interview process, because after that, they have the responsibility to submit to me a report, a written report called a pre-sentence investigation report. I won't get that report if you don't complete that registration process. I won't get it if you don't complete that interview process. Now, if something goes wrong, for some reason you can't get through, you can't complete that interview process, call Mr. Bradford. You'll contact the Department of Corrections and get us back on track so we can go forward with your sentencing on July 24th at 10 o'clock. Sir, you got it?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Bradford, anything else as relates to Mr. Blanding?
No, Judge. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Blanding, you're free to go, sir. We'll see you back here on the 24th of July, 10 o'clock, and make sure you make that call tomorrow.
Copy.
All right, you're free to go. Ms. Finance.
Ready, Your Honor.
You have Willis, James Willis. Mr. Willis, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Case 240571-6601. People versus James Willis.
Cal Leader.
For the record, Your Honor. Melissa Biden. Why is there an echo? P53750 appearing on behalf of James Willis. Mr. Willis, will you please state your full name for the record?
James Edward Willis.
Thank you. And Your Honor, we consent to Zoom for purposes of today's hearing.
All right, Mr. Nature.
Judge, I've had negotiations with Ms. Vinek on this case. The offer is attempt CCW, 12 months probation, reporting all other standard conditions, and community service.
Your Honor, that is the correct understanding of the offer. Mr. Willis does understand today is the date scheduled for a PCC. He does understand his right to have a preliminary examination. He does waive his right to the exam. And Your Honor, he does wish to avail himself of the offer as tendered.
All right, Mr. Willis, you understand what the offer is, sir?
Is Mr. Willis on two devices?
No, I'm on one device.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Waiving right to have a today.
Yes, sir.
Anybody threatening?
No, sir. No, sir.
All right, anybody? You're examining.
No, sir.
Of course, let us automatically be bound over. As relates to Ms. Vinek, he stands to me waits formal reading.
Yes, Your Honor.
What's going on? Not guilty plea today, Mr. Willis. Please raise your right hand. Solemnly swear affirm the testimony you're about to give today be the truth.
Yes, sir.
You put your hand down. You understand if I accept the guilty plea?
Yes, sir.
Attempt to conceal weapon and maximum.
I'm sorry, sir. You broke up. I didn't hear that.
You understand if I accept the guilty? For attempt can conceal weapon. Maximum penalty.
Yes.
Maximum penalty. 20 years of prison.
Yes, sir.
I cannot take it clear.
It's really spotty on my end as well.
Mr. Willis, do you have on both his phone?
No, I got off the other phone. I'm only on one phone.
Okay, Ms. Vinek, could you please call your client and use your device as a speakerphone?
That would be fine. Why did I do that? Okay.
The echo is gone. I know it's not.
Hello?
He needs to get off that other device, I suppose.
Sorry, if we can ask the last question of Mr. Willis, I think that we have the sound better at this point.
So Willis, you understand if I accept the guilty plea for you, then maximum penalty I can impose can up to 2.5 years in prison.
Yes, sir.
All right, you giving up and you waiving certain constitutional rights.
Yes, sir.
You waive your right to have a trial by judge or jury.
Yes, sir.
Right to remain silent without that silence being used against you.
Yes, sir.
The right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
Yes, sir.
Anybody threaten you or force you to get you plead guilty?
No, sir.
Anybody promise you anything beyond this attempt to conceal weapon offer to get you plead guilty?
No, sir.
Nature, daytime, location, and factual basis, please.
Thank you. Mr. Willis, on May 9th, 2024, in the city of Detroit, were you in the area of Grand River and Wyoming Avenue
Yes, sir.
and had contact with the police?
Yes, sir.
And were you carrying a handgun, a pistol on your person at the time?
Yes, sir.
Was it inside your waistband?
Yes, sir.
I couldn't hear you one more time.
Yes, sir.
And did you possess a CPL license which would allow you to carry a gun?
No, sir.
Thank you very much. I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
What's going to accept the guilty plea, Ms. Vinek? I'm looking at the sentencing date of July 24th.
Anyway, we could do the 23rd, Your Honor, Tuesday?
How about the 25th?
25th, fine.
25th at 10 o'clock a.m.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Willis, you'll be back in my courtroom, same Zoom number, sir, July 25th at 10 o'clock a.m., sir. You got that date and time? All right, I need your telephone number for the probation department, sir. You got to speak up.
313-713-3194.
Thank you.
All right, now, Mr. Willis, I have some information I need to give you, sir. You need to write it down. You have to contact the Department of Corrections Probation Department tomorrow. That phone number is 313-224-2600. Repeating, 224-2600. You have to call between 9:30 in the morning and 3:30 in the afternoon. All right, now, you have to call until you actually get through and talk to a live person, sir. You cannot leave a message. They won't call you back. Once you get through, they're going to get some information from you, name, address, telephone number, pass it on to a probation officer who's going to give you, call you in 2 weeks and interview you. Now, after and you have to complete the interview process so they can complete a report. Once I get the report, it's called a pre-sentence investigation report. It is required by Michigan law. I'll give it to Ms. Vining. She'll review it with you to make sure it's accurate. However, sir, I will not get it if you don't register. I won't get it if you don't complete that interview. If something goes wrong, if you cannot complete the interview, Or if you can't complete the registration process, call Ms. Viney. She'll contact Department of Corrections, Probation Department, and get us back on track so we can go forward with your sentencing on July 25th at 10 o'clock, sir. You got it?
Sir.
All right. Ms. Viney, anything else as it relates to Mr. Willis?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Willis, you're free to go, sir. Make sure you make that call tomorrow. We'll see you back here on July 25th at 10 o'clock, sir.
Thank
you. All right. All right, Ms.
Thank you,
Viney.
Your Honor. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, Melissa.
Thank you. Yep. Bye. Mr. Willis, you can log off.
All right. Who's got? All right, Ms. Judge Davis. Is she back? All right.
Mr. Bradford had one more case, Judge.
I'm still here. It's for Mr.
Are you doing
Kitchen.
that? You're in the kitchen? All right, Mr. Kitchen. Antonio Kitchen.
It's Antonio.
Is this Antonio Kitchen?
I'm trying to get the thing on. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Calling your case 23059-60801. People versus Antonio Kitchen.
Cal Major for the people.
Yes.
Good morning, Judge, Junior Staff, Cody Bradford, Neighborhood Defender Service. Just to make a record, Judge, it does appear Lisa Peterson from Assignments called Mr. Tooks and said that NDS will be reassigned this case. So I'm standing in for Attorney of Record Corian McMillan on behalf of Mr. Kitchen.
Kitchen, I need your name, sir.
Antonio Kitchen.
All right, good morning. Mr. Najer in the office.
No, Your Honor. It's no reduced plea on this case.
Mr. Bradford, how you want to proceed?
Generally, I would ask for an exam, but since this is not my case, Judge, could we have another PCC so Attorney McMillan can talk to Mr. Kitchen?
It's July 30th at 8:30 a.m.
That should be fine. And Judge, before we're off the record, could I get a number for Mr. Kitchen?
313-985-2937.
985-2937? Okay, I will have your attorney reach out to you. Nothing else on behalf of defense, Judge.
All right, thank you, Mr. Kitchen. We'll be back. You'll be back in my courtroom, same Zoom number, July 30th, 8:30 a.m. Sir, you got it?
Yeah, I got a question too. I'm supposed to have another in-person court on the 27th, right? Or is it the 28th? I think it's the 28th.
On this case, sir, you got a piece of paper that has 2 dates on it?
I haven't received the postcards yet, but because I just had court.
This case or another case, sir?
No, for this case.
All right, disregard that. This is the date you're coming back, July 30th, 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
All right?
Yes.
Are you free to go?
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks, Cody.
Thanks, Kyle. Have a good one.
All right, let's do this. All right, Mr. Nelson, Zachary Shorter.
Ready?
Mr. Shorter, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
24-055-405-01, people versus Zachary Shorter.
Go ahead, Cal.
People, Judge.
Rick Nelson on behalf of Mr. Shorter, Judge.
Shorter, I need your name, sir.
Zachary Shorter.
All right, good morning.
Good morning. How you doing, Judge?
I'm doing all right, Mr. Nelson. I don't think we have a pre-sentence report.
Yeah, Judge. Unfortunately, my client says he was calling, didn't get a return call. Unfortunately, he didn't. He works 2 jobs. Very busy young man. He didn't call me. If he would have, I obviously would have taken care of it. But I actually, he's never had any experience. This is a high situation. Ask for a re-referral.
Mr. Shorter, what happened?
Oh, well, Judge, to just be honest with you now, and it's not really no excuse. I take full responsibility. I just kept calling. You know, after you told me, to call the number, and I just kind of like left a message and stuff like that. But then me not thinking, you told me they wasn't going to call me back. So again, I take full responsibility. That's just on my part. I didn't keep following up.
Major, anything on behalf of the people?
No, Judge. I think if we just set a new date and give him.
All right, July 24th. July 24th at 10 o'clock a.m. Mr. Nelson, is that a good day and time?
That's perfect, Judge. Thank you very much.
All right, Mr. Shorter, this will be the second time I refer. The third time, sir, I bring you into custody and put you in lockup to get this report. You understand? So you got one more chance before I bring you into custody. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, so you'll be back in front of me, same courtroom, same Zoom number for sentencing, July 24th at 10 o'clock a.m.
Okay. Judge, can I have that number again?
I'm about to get your phone number. I'm going to give you all the information again, sir, that you need.
Okay, thank you.
You need your telephone number, sir.
313-480-2952.
Thank you.
All right, now, Mr. Short, I'm going to give you some information, sir, that you need to follow so we can get this report. Are you ready to get this information?
Yes, sir.
You need to contact the Department of Corrections Probation Department tomorrow, sir, between 9:30 in the morning and 3:30 in the afternoon. You must call until your actual person answers the phone. All right. Now, I told you, the reason why I don't have people leave messages because this has happened before. People don't get return calls. So I know through experience that's not going to happen. So
yes, sir.
Call until somebody answers that phone, sir. You might be calling at the wrong time. So vary your times that you call. All right. So that phone number is 313-224-2600. 313-224-2600. You got it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, you have to call until somebody answers. Once they answer, they're going to get some information from you. Name, address, telephone number. They're going to turn that information over to a probation officer who's going to call you in a couple of weeks to interview you. You have to complete the interview process. All right. So once the interview process is complete, they send me a report. It's called a pre-sentence investigation report. Once I get it, I'll send it to Mr. Nelson. He'll review it with you to make sure it's accurate. However, sir, if you don't register, which you didn't do, I'm not going to get the report. And if you don't complete that interview, I will not get the report. And that means I cannot go forward on the day of your sentencing, which is what happened today. So if something goes wrong, next time, call Mr. Nelson. He'll contact the Department of Corrections Probation Department and get everything back on track so we can go forward with your sentencing again. Will be July, 24th at 10 o'clock.
Yes, sir, Judge. Again, I apologize for my inconvenience on my part.
Mr. Nelson, anything else as it relates to Mr. Shore?
All set. You guys have a good one.
All right,
Rick, good to see you, Rick.
All right. Take care.
All right,
Get
make
it right,
sure,
Zach. Bye.
make sure you make that call tomorrow, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. It's Mr. Mammoth, and then Mr. Harris. Mr. Mammoth.
Yeah, we're ready.
So Wanda McGee.
He's on this one.
Ms. McGee,
Good morning, Your Honor.
calling your case 24-055-40401, People versus Tawana McGee.
Stephen
Tell me
Mammon,
on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Stephen Mammon on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. I did have a chance to speak with my client regarding what's going on. She said she made several attempts to call PSI, probation department, to set that up. She might have to go down there. I don't know. I asked Your Honor that this be adjourned so she can do that. She said she's made a good faith effort to try to get this done, Your Honor. So we apologize.
Ms. McGee, what happened?
Good morning, Your Honor. So after my last hearing, I did call several times. The times that I did reach a person, they had took the information like my name and phone number. But every time I called thereafter, they told me that no one had been assigned to me yet.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Try this again. All right, hopefully it won't be a glitch like this going forward, okay?